Hello guys. Today we playing Black's Fruits. Just wait it. Still waited. Keep waiting. It's so long. Come on. Let go now. Go now. Don't worry up the sound in my TV. Keep waiting, guys. It's too long. Oh, now it's done. Pirate. Up! Colosseum. Begin pirate. Todo. Wanted. Who's wanted? I'm Colosseum. Wanted. Nah. I am 263 level. Ooh, treasure chest in the top. Uy, angel, yes. Oh, let's move. And let's go there. Uy, what is that shine? Ooh, angel chest again. Wait. Oh, great. Let's go to jungle. Coba. Oh, whoa, good. Home point na ako. Let's go. It's kind of boring. Let's leave the game. It's kinda leave. Wait. Do you want to follow me? Click the profile at me. My name is Pro. And click the follow button. You can play with games with me and show up with videos at me. But it's still loading. So long. It's kind of long, the time. And no. Wait. You want watch more videos? You need to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye.